The top news headlines. Government shuts all shops at Queramban as public defy norms. Manipuri couple in Delhi test positive for COVID-19. EPOC urges government to book all involved in siphoning off MGNREGS fund. Good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. You're watching the news today. I'm ALBINA RIAMEI giving you the latest news updates. In the latest development, the Manipur government today forced to shut down all shops at Queramban Pauna Market and Thangal Market in Imphal City. The move comes after public defied norms apart from increasing number of people crowding the markets. Official sources said people have defied rules of physical distancing and neglected wearing of masks during the lockdown and curfew relaxation hours, following which the authority closed down the markets. Meanwhile, the state cabinet has decided to accept the NPA demands of the doctor as a special pay. The cabinet has also decided to make all the necessary arrangements for the citizens stranded outside Manipur, and the government will bear all the train expenses to reach till northeast. Except for Red Zone district, the cabinet has decided that all the necessary arrangement will be given to stranded citizens of Manipur in northeastern states. However, they have to bear the expenses except for Red Zone districts. The cabinet has also decided to shut down Ima Kaital, Pauna Bazar, Thangal Bazar and all the other main markets within the Imphal Valley as a precautionary measure and in consideration of the stranded citizens arriving from other states. Rural areas will be exempted from the shutdown as per considerations. In the meantime, N. Biren Singh, the Chief Minister of Manipur, in his routine message to the public on COVID-19 today, stated that the sudden restriction imposed in Imphal's Queramban market was because of the surge in coronavirus cases in different parts of the country, including the northeast.
Suddenly, karigama thaba ama chalu khibadagi halakna ba hona bada sudden lockdown duna maram oiraga pallaga lekhiba isinausingdu maduda hana priority pigani lockdown si sangtokpa sigi maraksida mapana leiriba isa inausing mayam si pusalangna hona ba haidna koina warepsi logjebani hek manipur gi mapana leiriba train de lakada ba isin nausing bharadi koina puba aduga awang nopok ki manunga leiriba singna masa masana pujaba haidna dumaina ware amalawi manipur gi mayam puna mangna khaitang war suwana madugi kogi sing sak sana ba khona ba tawriba hanagumna koedu Bharat Sarkar dagi free lae laktre kogi napsa gi leiriba dagi open market sale de leiriba pose koi marang kaina phangan na ba jang na pi phangan na ba home delivery system hanagi tawriba leiriba punamak to koi loini exetis satharakanda prajamyam gi wadana ba angamba thakle koi hona jage manipur gi dagi nurses doctor miyam gi punsi kanna ba hona bada masagi sacrifice orga tawba yawi ado aduguma singdusu aikhoi manipur sarkar gi makai dagi makhoida mogi moral handadana ba noina tawribado lebak praja bharat ki praja bu kannana bani haibagi aduguma message aduguma encouragement ado khoi sarkar gi makai dagi makoi de kanaguma solok bakana kari topsigi haibu su koi kumna khanari adu loina na moi bu sungsoi soi na koina su angama mateng panga moi gi encouragement toguni.
A Manipuri couple in Delhi has tested positive for COVID-19 today. The wife is a nurse working at Max Hospital, Delhi. The results came out today after the samples were sent for tests on May 4. However, they were not allowed to admit to the hospital, saying they would take no more COVID-19 positive cases. Talking to our correspondent, the woman patient said that they will be admitted to Delhi Lok Nayak Hospital for treatment. She urged the Manipur government to look into the case.
Moina adugi anta lawdaba ya lawdaba ai smart yengbaneba tawbana max hospital la tawba ina so kai to khai ni dana mafam ko hidu dia adu moina lawba ya lawroi khoi mai junga lawdare dikin han dei nang pino pano degi yari ko pen pino ko si ko ido hoi moi ga ko ne ma ta khoi kano nga ta neba aina east wing da mana west ne ko adu degi patient do ma ka na ga do ma patient to tham da neba adu degi possible abagi isolate kano fumigation ka uni abra kai na hai ri ba ko ji koi hospital do adi laisina east wing na pura adu gi patient ata lai ro dikse adu na smart da sama kana pura do ko lo lai do ko si patient dai do ma kan lo shik ta uni ba kai na hai na ri ba do na law ro na ya da na koi jo ai na shige koi police ki number tawra contact tawra so na lawgala ambulance lawgala
hojikti kano LLJP da kano admit tawdore ba ko
admit put lai re di hospital da koi han ni ama ni rum lai adu do ke lisik lai lokhat na ri wa ta thani ngai gi
hoi adu any makata ba moi di kaino laying bio ya tre khotre habagi pauta badugi call tawjar pane ba ko adu makata na dum set mayam da su every number inform tawna ba dum tham any information lega su dum paul lojara ke ko makata na
Meanwhile, a Manipuri Muslim woman died of COVID-19 in Mumbai yesterday. The 58-year-old woman, identified as Saya, died at Camp Hospital, Mumbai, a report said. Saya, wife of MD Ali Ahmad from Komidok, Maning Laikai, succumbed to the deadly virus at 11 p.m., a report said. Indigenous Peoples Association of Kanglei Park today urged that the government book all individuals involved in siphoning of MGNREGS fund. IPAC also informed that they have already started the process for initiating legal action based on the specific complaints lodged at the IPAC office involving more than 700 victims. Briefing media persons at IPAC office, Kesampat Association Secretary General Laisangthem Roman Meitei alleged that job card holders are not getting their due share since the fund has been misused by the Gram Panchayat members, Pradhan, Jila Parishad members in cahoots with the bank's officials.
Center hangiba spice money ki agent aduga peniar by gi agent singa manarga pesa chawna haitpa aduga government gi tong scheme singsu saigi haiba ep singsinarga dona luthom bagi thabak chathom satharamba masi ipak da ipak na yam chawna thengnajare.
IPAC President Setrimayum Somerandro said that the state government should initiate an inquiry into the fund misappropriation case. Those who are found guilty be given befitting punishment as per the law, he demanded.
IPAC na thamjariba demand sing asi athubada lengang na thabukto onthokadabani kanglisa sing na su adongi lekai da NRGS ka ki matang da asoiba sel khungkatpa thengnabadi social media Facebook WhatsApp Instagram mateng lauduna lengakta government da tanaba phongdokpiu haina IPAC ki bakidagi thamjari.
Changamdabi Gram Panchayat Ward Number 3 member MD Jamail today refuted the accusation by Pradhan MD Riyajuddin through media over misappropriation of MGNRGA fund amounting to Rs 9,49,000 by Changamdabi Gram Panchayat Pradhan MD Pradhan. Jamail told media that the allegation is baseless. He also urged all concerned to release the pending job card money for the year 2017-2018 to beneficiaries in view of the prevailing situation.
Makhatana khabarda hunnabagi mauta 2017-18 dagi hauraga ngasi phawa job card masana paisa kai da badu masana kahen nangai thabuktum tominasi.
Now we have a short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates. With 2,958 new cases of the coronavirus disease and 126 deaths, India's tally crossed the 49,000 mark according to Union Health Ministry data this morning. According to the Union Health Ministry dashboard at 8 a.m., there are 33,514 active cases of COVID-19 and 1,694 fatalities across the country. The recovery rate of coronavirus disease cases in the country went up to 28.71% from 27.41% a day earlier. There are 14,182 people who have been cured or discharged, the Health Ministry data showed. Love Agarwal, Joint Secretary with the Health Ministry, had said during the routine press briefing held on COVID-19 on Tuesday that the doubling rate of the respiratory disease had improved from 3.4 days before the lockdown to 12 days now. The nationwide lockdown was first clamped on March 25, which has been extended twice, and the third phase will end on May 17. Union Health Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan has said on Tuesday that India had managed to keep a check on coronavirus pandemic by not letting it slip into the community transmissions phase. Globally, more than 3.6 million have been infected by SARS-CoV-2, which causes the disease, and 257,207 people have died, according to Johns Hopkins COVID-19 tracker. Sagolban MLA RK Imo has announced that Johnstown Higher Secondary will be designated as quarantine center for stranded individuals of Sagolban constituency. He said this during a cleanliness program carried out at the school campus for setting up the quarantine center. Co-operators of IMC Ward Number 7 and Ward Number 24 and other members were also present. Speaking to media, MLA RK Imo said that all should take proper preventive measures against coronavirus as India surges cases every day.
India almost 50,000 yaule. Aduna mati tammangam do ko ni na ri lakado ma pande lakado me anti ko section na tham da yaroi pusalak da su yade ko gi chinnaw me anti adama pande standard oina leirabani na adna pusallaga mafam sana sana mapa mapa da thambangam na bani ko no na ri si masi government na hayeng yarani har matandu da ko ready da thamjarani adna ko smile thamjage aduna ngasi kunbi riba cooperative sing members sing adagi IMC gi staff me amna ko na biri ba masi ai yamna ngai.
Extending solidarity to the journalists who are among the frontliners amid the fight against coronavirus pandemic, essential commodities were handed over to officials of All Manipur Working Journalists Union (AMZU) at Manipur Press Club, Imphal, today by New Group. Talking to media, New Group President Shashikanta Laimayum stated that they were helping the journalists who are doing their best to disseminate information to the public during such crisis.
New economy evolution of the world haiba side adutagi ekhoi laksabani tasengnamak kasi ekhoi ki luraba sigumlaba COVID-19 khogi novel coronavirus na maram moiraga laibak sida so amna awaba taraba matam asida ngasi ekhoi social media gi thabak tobiraba nungsirabi chilnau singna ahing nungthil nungdang thidana laibak mayam gi seba tobiba si khoina nulupchabu uchaboina ekhoi ki site gi new gi team site gi ngamjaba khara mayam gi mafanba kudol tamba laksa.
The Manipur government today distributed ration to widows living with HIV today at Tangkul Baptist Church, Imphal. Members of Christian Network of Positive Women, Manipur, and several others attended the event. Speaking during the distribution, Coordinator of Earth and Culture, Government of Manipur, Nava Volcano, said the government will be urged to continue extending such help to the widows living with HIV in the state. Under Swachh Bharat Mission, the Lilong Municipal Council Ward Number 1 Councillor Chongtham Kishore Kumar Mitei today distributed dustbins to residents of his ward. The councillor for the second time also handed out food items to the residents. The councillor urged the masses to keep the surrounding environment clean. He also added the food items have been distributed to the residents to mitigate their suffering during the ongoing lockdown.
Men sati lak akhraga na khoi wadi men committee di khar puthuk saraga khoi ngasi arrange tawani makata na awat pakya lai ko khoi manage taw jagani loina ngasi praja singna khoi sama wa khalo lamda khoi sarkar gi amadi khoi lu nan ba haibasi khoi karino haibdo ngasi di khongina sai photo.
The 109 Battalion CRPF under the aegis of IGP Manipur and Nagaland sector conducted a civic action program yesterday at Pilo Library, Mongsangai Mayai Laikai in Imphal West. Infrared forehead thermometers were distributed to the presidents of local clubs in the area to be used in screening of COVID-19. Medical officer of 109 Battalion, Dr. Bidya Lakshmi, took part in the program and briefed the local club leaders on the functioning of the infrared forehead thermometer, besides sensitizing the participants on precautionary measures against COVID-19. Deputy Commandant of the battalion, Vinod Sawan, Inspector Sukhbir Singh, officiating Commandant 109 Battalion, Narayan Balai, and several Jawans took part in the program. Residents of Top Mayai Laikai and Makha Laikai extended financial aid to Setrigao MLA Nahakpam Indrajit for Setrigao Kendra COVID-19 Relief Committee. This committee has been continuously providing relief materials to the people of the constituency. MLA Indrajit thanked the residents for supporting him in the fight against the virus. 80 people, including students and laborers from Jiribam who were stuck in Imphal due to the lockdown, were brought back to Jiribam, our correspondent reports. These people were transported back to their hometown in 4 vehicles arranged by Chairman of Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited and State Executive Member BJP Manipur Pradesh K. Sarat Kumar Singh. Speaking about the evacuation, K. Sarat Kumar stressed on the need to extend help among the people during such difficult times, keeping aside political differences. One of the passengers, Raman, expressed gratitude to Sarat Kumar. Bishnupur Block Congress Committee President C.H. Ibotombi and Ningthaukhong Municipal Council Chairperson L. Ibungo today jointly flagged off 3 vehicles to take back residents of Bishnupur constituency stranded in different parts of the country due to the ongoing lockdown. The vehicles, which were flagged off from Ningthaukhong Bazaar, will head for Guwahati, Silchar and Dimapur. C.H. Ibotombi said that the step has been taken up with the joint efforts of Ningthaukhong Municipal Council and 3 Pradhans of Ningthaukhong Gram Panchayat.
Dimapurda, Silchar, Amasung, Guwahati, the Pandu Lady Babi, Samokan, the Pajayan came to a salon in the Bagi, Koi Bassett, Lamtabagi, Ningthaukhong City, Koi Patoseri, Huji, Parangasi, Huji, Lady Boki, Manipuda, Labeling, Asina. Koi Tawila Tebedi, Tangai, Padana, Bisibu, Kendri, Prasazing, Mapanda, Pandula, Putobiadi. I do not honor MLA Government Kutozuna, Bisnupur Congress Committee, Bisnupur Assembly Youth Congress Committee, Amsung Tonga, Kendra Sikimun Delibiriba, Pansar Kedumba, Kaikunaja, Padancing Atana Jaraga, Nasiki Taromasi, Pantok 70.
Bishnupur Block Congress Committee extended aid to all Bishnupur District Working Journalists Union during a simple function held at the residence of Bishnupur MLA Gobindas Konthausam at Ningthaukhong. 50 kgs rice each and a sum of rupees 3,000 each were given to 15 journalists working under ABDWJU in the presence of Bishnupur Block Congress Committee President C.H. Ibotombi Singh, Ningthaukhong Municipal Council Chairperson L. Ibungo and others. 13th Dogra Regiment distributed ration to the residents of Bamdir Mayai Laikai, helping them during the lockdown. The officials of the regiment distributed the items to over 100 households of the area at Bamdir Community Hall.
COVID-19 gida mateng pang balak pa si praja sing gida magtadi yamna koi thagan ningai oiba dum laba koi yam pha ba wa phama bani akoi gi jaga jaga da akoi COVID-19 gi awabaji suki matik laire dubu ngasi mak koi 13 joga toli hanna laktana koi jarobamdar gram panchayat ke manung da laiba ward number 2 da sigum laba potlam mayam da pibidana awaba mating pang wedong ta haininga retana thagatsare.
Let's take a short commercial break once again. Stay tuned.
Red Shopper, get local. Isagi yumdagi mapan thoktana COVID-19 sandoraktana bagi lantheng asida mateng pangbiyo. Northeastern Regional Agricultural Marketing Corporation Limited Neramek amadi Red Shopper anina kusam naraga iramdamda fangba manamasing grocery item amadi fresh meat adomodongi yumda deliver tawbagi khudong chaba pijari. Aikhogi app download tawbiduna online order tawbirakko singidamak discount pijari.
Welcome back. Lanchenba Electrical Service of Uripok Gopalji in Imphal West distributed face masks to staff of TOMTV at the channel's office in Imphal today. My Mom, a Manipuri film directed by Rakesh Moirangthem, has won the International Audience Choice Award at the NFOG Unidos International Short Film Competition 2020 in the US. The film is based on the COVID-19 warriors and the current crisis caused by the deadly pandemic. The film has been officially selected for Bardhaman Online Lockdown Short Film Festival 2020 and Marlin Cinemas Lockdown Short Film Festival 2020. Members of IRYC COVID-19 Task Force Kaisampat Lai Mazum Laikai today distributed daily necessary essential items to around 200 households of the area. The members used the fund from the club as well as financial aid by others to carry out the distribution work. A team of 12 Battalion NDRF Doimuk, Arunachal Pradesh conducted a sanitization program cum awareness on COVID-19 in various parts of Thoubal. The program was carried out at Thoubal Bazaar, DC Complex, CMO office and ATM booths of Thoubal by spraying disinfectant solutions. The program will be further carried out at several locations within Imphal East and Imphal West, where it is frequently visited by public and government officers. The sanitization program was held under the command of ASI GD KH Badal Singh along with Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan Thoubal. 12 Battalion NDRF Doimuk Arunachal Pradesh is currently stationed at 2nd Manipur Rifle Complex in Imphal West. Civil society organizations of Hauchong Subdivision and the None District of Manipur today appealed to the state government, local MLA and district administration to look into a series of problems faced by the residents of Hauchong Subdivision. Lack of doctors, nurses, lab technician, peon sweeper and other staffs at the local primary health center, and unfinished construction of SDO or BDO office at the subdivision headquarters, and inadequate infrastructure at the government high school at Hauchong have put life of the residents at risk and standstill, said the social organizations. The pathetic road condition from None District Headquarters to Hauchong Subdivision often causes accidents, they said. They appealed to the authorities concerned to consider their plight on humanitarian ground.
Lab technician so later. Aduga Fadigi Lubasina and the Lagiva Chahi February Sida Pion Amazon Sweeper Mabani Map retired or Chakra. Retired or Chakra replacement laptop Nena Arroy media through the hiding the concerned higher authorities na seeing Hauchong PIC all apart Amazon staff replacement to Budavase to Mukada Ying the Matam low the Vida replaced the VA higher the Yama Tagachagni.
Indian Red Cross Society Manipur State Branch said that the last date of submission of forms for Asagi Mangal project has been extended till May 30, 2020. Widows from Imphal East, Imphal West, Thoubal and Bishnupur districts whose husbands died of armed conflict, cancer, HIV or AIDS and road accident can apply for livelihood grant under Asagi Mangal project. The Mizoram government has declared that the state is free of coronavirus disease as each lone patient has recovered. According to a report, the state's lone patient was a 50-year-old pastor who had visited Netherlands and he tested COVID-19 positive on March 24 last. He was the second COVID-19 patient from the Northeast after a 23-year-old Manipuri girl tested positive. State Health Minister Lalthang Liana informed that all the 4 samples of the patient that were collected in the last 24 hours have tested negative and he is likely to be discharged from the hospital by the end of this week. He further informed that 1,366 people are lodged in various quarantine facilities in all the 11 districts of the state. Mizoram is the 4th state from the northeast after Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur and Nagaland to have no COVID-19 positive case, the media report said. The Communist Party of India, as a part of its call to halt a nationwide agitation against the central government, apathy, negligence towards the migrant workers and poor, especially in the COVID-19 crisis, today staged a stand-in protest in national capital in front of the Central Party headquarters. CPI General Secretary D. Raja led the protest, during which he maintained that CPI had informed the centre on the miseries of the poor during the lockdown. However, the government turned a deaf ear to the issues. CPI unit in Patna held such protests on May 1, while Hyderabad and Vijayawada will stage the protest this week. CPI will continue the agitation until and unless the centre gives up its indifferent attitude to the poor and needy people, a report said. The United Kingdom has drawn up a three-stage plan to ease the coronavirus lockdown that was first imposed at the end of March this year. According to a media report, the UK government was planning to review the lockdown by May 7th, but Prime Minister Boris Johnson has made clear that he is worried about triggering a second deadly spike in cases. The first phase will involve small shops reopening alongside outdoor workplaces, and the second will involve large shopping centers reopening with more people encouraged to go into work. Pubs, restaurants, hotels and leisure centers will be among the last to open. The United Kingdom has overtaken Italy to report the highest official death toll from the new coronavirus in Europe the previous day, with more than 7,000 deaths in England and Wales, accounting to 29,427 death toll in UK. South Korea's intelligence agency has said rumors about Kim Jong-un's health were groundless and there are no signs he had had a surgery. The North Korean leader recently went 20 days without appearing in public and missed the celebration of his grandfather's birthday, which was one of the biggest events of the year. According to a media report, the head of South Korea's intelligence agency, Soo Hoon, told a parliamentary committee there were no signs that rumors about Kim Jong-un's health were true. The committee heard the North Korean leader had appeared in public lesser this year. The media report also added one of the committee members said Kim Jong-un has focused on consolidating internal affairs such as military forces and party state meetings, and coronavirus concerns have further limited his public activity, though the isolated country has so far no cases of COVID-19. Do join TOMTV's new program, Your Voice, Adomgi Consul. Please express your grievances and issues through our channel. Send audio or video to our WhatsApp number 940-249-1494, along with a copy of your Aadhaar card. Please mention your name and address properly. Be a citizen journalist. Let's listen to today's Your Voice.
Lockdown na maram oiduna prajana hiningai leitana waraba tanjasida dukanda nongmagi changdaba jadraba pot ki mamal khangwang wangklakpana maram oiraga prajasingna wabada khamthengnare. Government ki yeliba CAFPD gi supply chain asi black market ta kg amada lupa nifu manga dagi jangkhai pire, more dagi puchilapa churu win upu amada lupa chama pire. Amaromda government na pamching hanghalaba chu black market ta petrol liter amada lupa chama jangkhai, diesel liter amada lupa chama hairiba item sing asi matau karam na black market ta phanglibano. Government na ating batang kiba lockdown gi marak asida dukandar sing na pot sing asi kadai dagi kam do na phanglibano haiba lengak asibu meeting sanghaningi. Government na mateng pangbiram bacheng hawai adudi numit tarani gi chara ko na banate nongmagi sura talaga sajariba sinmi sing dadi sufam tanpham leitaba matam asida di dukanda pot ki mamal henglak pasina hingbada waba ama oinari.
Lautokpigi aiba mayam tholakpa sidi haraubudi laerdana aikoibu karimnabagi mawong ulabra haina singnaragle thama makai phajiralabachu karima mateng ama fangdring asi pawba khanganamdi laikre adubu thabak oina tagodabda ngaire makai ani tholakpa sidi karambana achumba oiduna karambana chine khutka chana dunu haiba wafamji khangjaningi yumdagi mateng pangakpadusu lockdown laibana maram oiraga yengba ngamlaktre aduna mari lainaba thawangam singdagi mateng ni banatana upa leitraba ikoibu amta nungsibiduna lautokpirakpa natraga chana thanabagi mateng panghanjaningi chanaba marang kaina fanglaga su sel leitradi kari kanari punomak ubiraga awaba tarange manungsida pangbiragadi nungaijagni haiba wafamchi haijaningi.
Manipur Sarkarna Manipur Masa Singma Palam Dagi Manipur the Proknabane Hino Hotnari Asimatava Tasena Nungajay. Ado Ngakli of the Guhati Dagina Manipur Yorok Foda Baskimamal Asil Lupat Saduk Tagina Sanipan Pavana Trana Sanipan Dagina Listing Ama Folona Bani. Ado Manipur Sarkana Tajinula to Alur Basing Asina Manipur Yorok Wada Lupa Listing a home Natra home Zangwa Lawi Haribasi Taba Tasena Nungajade. Guwahati na taba atopa athapa station na laikhirba Manipur masa sing asina Manipur yorokpodani Manipur sarkarna aikhoidagi lupa kaya kaya lawbi gadoribuna haibas achawbo hang am oiri paisa paija hodaba hena khudongchada miyoi singdi Manipur yoba ngamlaroidra haibasi gi nuaitaba achawbo mo oirakli isagi te kakloraba haibadi flight ki ticket amaktana tana anilak suna kakchilro fawada madugi paisa handokani haiba karing ofo leitaba amadi Manipur sarkarna pibo tengbang se lupa paisa amadi pochai karing ofo phangjadriba aikhoidi Manipur sarkarna pakhal thawuk sing asi ikhogi sak yaudrabara Manipur Sarkarna hajula khulakliba thawuk thorom sing asi paisa paiba sing chathok chajin ngamba sing khakki damak tara lairba ikhogi sa yaudraba haibasi Manipur Sarkar da hangjaningi.
Before we wind up, let's look at the top news headlines once again. Government shuts all shops at Queramban as public defy norms. Manipuri couple in Delhi test positive for COVID-19. And EPOC urges government to book all involved in siphoning off MGNREGS fund. And with that, it's a wrap for this evening news bulletin. Thank you for joining us. Good time ahead.